If you want to learn exactly how to start doing affiliate marketing on 𝐽𝐵Zoo, this tutorial is for you. In this step-by-step training, I'm going to share exactly how to sign up for the 𝐽𝐵Zoo affiliate marketplace, how to find a good converting product to promote so you can ensure tons of people will buy from you, and towards the end of the video, I'm going to reveal a totally free 5-minute traffic strategy you can use to find laser-targeted leads to promote these products to that will allow you to make $250 or more a day. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure you smash the like button right now to let me know. Also, if you want the chance to win 3 nights in a luxurious hotel in Las Vegas, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel with the bell icon. Once you do that, just click the second link in the description for details on how to let me know you've done that to officially enter into the giveaway. You'll also learn how to get notified if you're the lucky winner of the prize. So without further ado, let's dive into the very first step of today's training. So the very first step is we need to go over to 𝐽𝐵Zoo.com. Now, once you're on 𝐽𝐵Zoo, what this is a massive affiliate marketplace with many different types of products, mainly make money online or biz opportunity products, and mainly softwares. So what we want to do is click start for free, and then it will take you to a page that looks something like this. And you want to go ahead and register for a free account. You want to put your full legal name, email address, create a password, agree to the terms, and then click register. Now, there's just going to be a few other steps as far as how to get paid when you start to make these commissions very easily with the training I'm going to share. But once you finish these simple steps, you're going to eventually get taken to your dashboard. Now, 𝐽𝐵Zoo has a lot of different tabs. You can look at affiliates. You can also look at the sellers tab. So down the line, if you want to sell your own product, you can do so on 𝐽𝐵Zoo. But we're just going to look at the affiliates tab. Now, they have the dashboard where you're going to be able to see your daily earnings. You're going to see approved products. This is the products that you've been approved to promote when you request, which I'll share in a second. And then we want to go to the find products, okay? They have contests as well, but let's go to the find products and look for a good product to promote with 𝐽𝐵Zoo. So once we're here, there's a lot of information that you can see. You can see there's product title, there's launched, okay? So what date was this product actually launched? You can see how many have been sold, but we just want to look at a few pieces of information and criteria when it comes to deciding what product we want to promote. So typically I like to click sold because that's going to filter by the most sold products at the top. So you can see right here that, this product has sold 34,000 products, okay, which is amazing. But you can see this product was launched in 2014. So what we typically want to do is look at a product that's been making a lot of sales, but that's also launched recently. So we can go ahead and scroll down. You can see this one right here, 8,500 plus, and it was launched about a year ago. Okay, so that's pretty good. So if we wanted to promote this product, we could. I'm going to scroll down a little bit more. Okay, now you can also show 250 rows to make it easier to look. Okay, so we just want to keep scrolling, and I'm going to go ahead and do this and stop when I find a good product. Well, you can see right here. Okay, this one was launched not too long ago, the year of recording this video. Click Designs. Okay, it's had over 4,000 sales. Now, another thing we want to keep in mind is we want to look at the refund rate. Okay, so you can see this last column right here. It says 6%, okay, refund rate. Anything below about 10 is good because even if it's made a lot of sales, if you go and promote this and it has a very high refund rate, then you're going to have to give away the money back to 𝐽𝐵Zoo and you're not going to be able to get paid out. So the magic formula is looking for a product that has a lot of sales. Anything above 250 is pretty good. That's launched typically within the last year or so it's not too old. And then also the refund rate is below about 10%, okay? That's kind of a magic formula. So for the sake of this video, I could actually promote this product right here. Now, whenever you see a good product on 𝐽𝐵Zoo, you can't just go ahead and promote this product right away. You have to actually request approval. So if I click that right there, it's going to take me to another page where I can do that. So you can see right here, it's going to give you more information. So we want to click get approved and we want to actually enter a message, okay? Because what's going to happen is the product creator is going to see our message and we want to write something that's going to convince them to approve us to promote their product. So I could say something like, hi, I would love to promote your product. I am going to be using very effective organic traffic strategies to drive consistent top-tier traffic to your sales page. That shows we know what we're doing. We have some authority, okay, by using these certain phrases like organic traffic strategies, top tier traffic. They're gonna know that we have some skin in the game, that we've been around, and this will up our chances to get approved. And also, the more you promote and the more sales you start easily making, the easier you'll get approved, okay? So we wanna click I'm not a robot, and then we wanna request approval after we agree to the terms. Now, what I would recommend is you go back to Find Products tab, and then you just go ahead and request about 5 products, and then you wait about a day, because you never know what products are gonna get approved and how quickly. So you don't wanna just sit around and wait. Do about 5 and then come back, and then you can look at the Approved Products tab to see which products you've actually been approved, okay? So once you've been approved, you can see that you can click Get Link, and now this is our affiliate link, okay? So if I go here, it's gonna take us to an affiliate sales page. Every product is gonna have a different affiliate sales page, okay? Now, if someone goes here and they actually decide to buy, I would get a commission, okay? Now, if it's your affiliate link right there, you would be getting a commission. So let me go ahead and just choose one of these products for the sake of this video, and I will come back in a second. Okay, so you can see this one right here. As I've said, you know, this one's launched within the last year or so. It's had over 250 sales, and it's lower than a 10% refund rate. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my link, and I'm gonna promote this product for the sake of this video. Now, I'm gonna save this affiliate link in a notepad file, and then the next thing we wanna do is we wanna use this incredibly simple traffic method. Now, I will say before I continue, 𝐏𝐵Zoo is actually not my favorite place to find affiliate products to promote. I'm gonna include a link directly below. When you click that link, it's gonna take you to a free overview video revealing my #1 affiliate system to promote that will actually pay you 100% instant commissions. With 𝐏𝐵Zoo, when you make money, you will have to wait a while, and it's not 100% commissions. This one you can see is about 50% commission. So if you wanna check that out, I'll leave the link below. But for the sake of this video, the traffic method we're gonna be using, and we're gonna be promoting a 𝐏𝐵Zoo product in this video, is Twitter. Now, whether you've used Twitter or not, I'm gonna be able to share with you a totally free 5-minute method that will get you laser targeted leads to make daily commission. So the first thing you need to do is, if you don't have a Twitter, you wanna create a Twitter profile, and we want to actually put a header photo right here. Now, because we're in the make money online niche, which is what 𝐏𝐵Zoo basically is, go to Google Images and then search in something like beach wallpaper. Because when it comes to make money online, we're basically promoting and selling the lifestyle to be able to travel, spend time on the beaches, spend time with your friends and family. So if you have a good cover photo here, that's gonna increase your conversions when we use this method. So if you do beach wallpaper, that's a good idea. So I could literally just download this photo here, go back to my Twitter, and I could go to edit, and I could add this cover photo there. It's also good to have a good photo of yourself as the profile photo. But if you don't wanna have a photo of yourself, you can go ahead and add another beach photo there. You can make your name, or you could put make money online or work from home, something related. Now, for the bio to set this up, you can put something like, you know, see my #1 way to profit online. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to a free link shortening site called bit.ly.com. And again, all the links are gonna be down below in the description. And what we can do is we can actually take our affiliate link, and we don't just wanna put our affiliate link in our bio here because it's unattractive. So if you sign up, okay, for a free account with Bit.ly, and once you're in your back office, I can go to create your first link. I can paste in my affiliate link, and then I can go ahead and go down here and click create, which will be a button in the bottom right. And now you can see that this is our shortened link. Okay, right there. So what I can do is I can just copy this. I can go back to Twitter, and I can go ahead and paste this in like that. Now you can put the website there as well. And then once this is all good, we just want to click save. Now the next step, and this is very crucial, we want to click right here, and we want to create a new tweet. And now what we want to do is we want to create a curiosity building tweet that will get people to want to click our link. So because we're in the make money online niche with 𝐏𝐵Zoo, we want to say something like, do you want to make money incredibly easy and fast? Okay, because that's what people want. Be sure to click this link and watch the free video revealing the little known secret method. okay? Something like that. And you can feel free to swipe this exact post. I could even make a space, okay, to make it a little bit better. And then we just want to paste in our bit.ly shortened affiliate link. Now, to make this even better, we want to go back to Google Images and we want to search something like holding money, okay? Because we want a photo where it looks like, you know, we've made some money. And this is totally fine. Again, you're not claiming you're making money. You're just having a photo of some money because this is what people want when they want to make money. So I can choose any one of these photos here. Okay, so I did a little bit of searching and I found this photo here. You can see it's just holding money. Now I can go back to Twitter and I can go to image right here and I can upload that image. Okay, so you can see right here, do you want to make money incredibly easy and fast? Be sure to click this link and watch the free video revealing the little known secret method. It has our shortened affiliate link and now it has this image and we can just click tweet. So now we can see our tweet right here. Now I like to like this. This gives it a little bit of social proof and starts to get people to also like it. And now we want to click these three dots and we want to click pin to your profile. And now what this does is if I land on this profile, it will have a good cover photo. It will have the link here, okay? And then it will have this pinned post. So it doesn't matter if we keep tweeting, this will keep being at the top of our Twitter profile. And when someone clicks this, you can see it redirects them to our sales page right here, right? So when someone buys, we will start to make commissions. Now, the last step, you may think, okay, we have this tweet, but how do we get people to see this? This is the secret 5-minute method that gets laser targeted prospects clicking our affiliate link. So what you want to do is once you have a Twitter profile, you can go to a site called tweetdeck.twitter.com. This is actually works with Twitter. And what you can do is you can hook up your Twitter account to this tool. This is a totally free tool. You can see I have my Twitter account there. And then what you can do is click add column, go to search, and then we can actually search a specific phrase, okay? So if I do this, I hit the quote, and then I can say something like, I want to make more money, okay? Or I want to work from home. And then we search this. And what this does is this literally shares with us all the Twitter profiles within the last day or so that said, I want to work from home, or whatever phrase you put in there. So I could do, I want to make money online. I want to make money online, right? Please, I want to make money online. So now we have all these laser targeted prospects that want to make money online. And all you have to do is click this little reply and say, hey, I saw your tweet. If you're interested, check out the pinned post in my profile. That's it. And what will happen is these people will see this tweet, this little reply. It will go to our profile. They will see this pinned tweet. They'll see this photo thinking that we are making money. And then they'll click this affiliate link and they'll decide to buy. Okay, so this method is incredibly powerful and you can use this to promote whatever affiliate product you want to promote. Now, as I said before, be sure to click the first link below to see a free video revealing how to easily set up my #1 affiliate system to promote with the method shared in this video to get paid instant 100% commissions. Also click the subscribe button with the bell icon so you don't miss out on my latest money-making methods. And last, if you want to discover another incredibly easy method to make commissions online, be sure to click the video that will show on the screen in just a second to discover that one also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.